Welcome to MI Windows and Doors. In this video we are going to demonstrate how to replace the rollers on our 910 sliding glass door from our V2000 series. Working from the interior side, you want to open the door past the anti-takeout block. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, adjust the rollers to help alleviate tension on the door. Then lift the door from the bottom track and remove from the frame. With a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws holding the roller in place and then remove the roller from the door. When installing the new roller, you want to make sure that the adjustment screw lines up with the adjustment hole on the door. Then install the roller using the original hardware. Reinstall the door to the frame starting at the head, then dropping into the sill. And your installation is finished.